how to turn on or turn off Bluetooth hearing aids shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. From here, tap on hearing enhancements. Then tap on hearing aid support. Next, tap on Bluetooth hearing aids shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here, there are 3 different shortcuts that you can turn on. You can choose tap accessibility button, which is the one down here. Press side and volume up buttons, so side and volume up buttons. Or press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So volume up and down for 3 seconds. You can turn on one or all of them at once. So here, if I press and hold on the side button, volume up and down. So it's a use volume buttons for accessibility. So I tap on use. So press volume up and down and hold for 3 seconds again. This will open up a menu or select device. So here I'll have, because I only have one setting set, and at the moment, if I press on it, it will try to activate the Bluetooth hearing aids. So if I go in and add in another shortcut, so say vision enhancements, and in here I'll find magnification shortcuts. So I turn on the shortcuts. Now you can see that if I go back in here and press and hold on the volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds, I will have a menu. So still trying to connect to the other device. So I go back in here and double check. Here, press and hold the volume buttons for 3 seconds. This time it will show a menu. So you can see hearing aid support, color inversion, and you can tap on that shortcut. Okay, so if we go back into accessibility and we go into hearing enhancements and tap on hearing aid support and shortcuts, here is where you can turn it on, or you can press side and volume up buttons, so side and volume up buttons, and this will open up another menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.